Have you ever wondered if computers could think like humans? Well, something amazing has just happened. A company in Australia has created the first computer that uses human brain cells to work smarter and faster. It's called the CL1, and it's like nothing we've ever seen before. Let's dive into what makes the CL1 so special. What is CL1? The CL1 is a brand new kind of computer, but it's not like the ones we use at home or school. This computer mixes human brain cells with the parts of a regular computer to create something super smart. It's called a biocomputer because it combines biology, which is the study of life, with technology. The brain cells help the computer to think and learn all by itself, just like humans do. This makes the CL1 very special because it can learn things very fast, doesn't need a lot of power to work, and can handle lots more information than the computers we are used to. People are really excited about it because it can do a lot of helpful things without using up much energy, making it good for the environment and really efficient for doing big jobs. How does the CL1 work? Scientists at a company called Cortical Labs have figured out something amazing. They take cells from skin or blood, that's right, the same stuff that makes up our bodies, and turn these cells into what are called stem cells. These stem cells are super special because they can turn into any type of cell in the body, including brain cells, which are also known as neurons. These neurons are not ordinary. They can grow and learn just like the neurons in your brain. After turning the stem cells into neurons, scientists put them into the CL1 computer. Here, these neurons don't just sit there. They help the computer to think and learn from what happens around it. It's like the computer has a part of a human brain, making it able to understand and learn new things on its own, without someone having to program everything it needs to know. This is how the CL1 can do some amazing things that other computers can't. The big launch. On March 2nd, 2025, a really exciting event happened in Barcelona. The world was introduced to the CL1 for the first time. This wasn't just any regular tech launch. It was a huge deal because the CL1 is set to completely change the way we think about and use technology. Imagine doctors being able to understand diseases better, or scientists making new discoveries faster, all thanks to this new computer. The CL1 combines human brain cells with computer technology, which means it could help improve how we learn about and treat illnesses, and even change the way we solve big science problems. People from all over the world watched as the CL1 was unveiled, knowing that this technology could lead to big advancements in medicine, environmental science, and many other fields. The event was filled with excitement and hope about how the CL1 could make our world a better place. Learning like a brain. Think about how you learn something new, like riding a bike or solving a math problem. You try, maybe fail a few times, but eventually you get better at it. That's exactly how the CL1 works. Unlike normal computers that need to be programmed for every task, the CL1 uses something special: human brain cells. This lets it learn from experiences just like a human brain. This means that the more it works, the smarter it gets. For example, if the CL1 makes a mistake, it can learn not to make the same mistake again, all on its own, without someone having to change its programming. This is a big step forward because it could mean computers that keep improving without needing constant updates or new software. It's like having a tiny, super smart assistant that gets better at helping you the more you work together. This ability to learn and adapt could change everything from how cars drive themselves to how we predict the weather. Benefits of the CL1. One of the coolest things about the CL1 is that it's super energy efficient. Unlike traditional computers that need a lot of power to run, the CL1 uses way less electricity. This is really good for our planet because using less power means creating less pollution. Since it doesn't need a lot of electricity, the CL1 can be used in lots of different places, even where there isn't a lot of power available. Imagine schools in remote areas or small research stations in the middle of nowhere being able to use this advanced technology without worrying about huge electricity bills or damaging the environment. This makes the CL1 not just smart, but also kind to our Earth. It's a big step towards using technology in a way that helps us without hurting the planet. Everyone is excited about this because it shows that we can have amazing technology that is also eco-friendly, helping us do better for our world. Real-world uses. the CL1 is not just an amazing piece of technology. It's going to be super useful in the real world, especially in medicine and science. Very soon, scientists and researchers will start using the CL1 to explore new ideas that could change our lives. For example, they could use it to discover new ways to treat illnesses that are hard to cure right now. Imagine a computer that can help find a new cure for a disease like diabetes or cancer faster than ever before. Also, the CL1 can help make robots that are more helpful and understand people better. These robots could assist doctors in hospitals or help kids learn in schools. They might even be used to keep company to people who are lonely. Because the CL1 can learn and adapt like a human brain, it can do these things in a way that feels natural and easy. This means that soon, the CL1 could help us solve some really big problems in ways we haven't even thought of yet. The future of CL1. The team behind the CL1, called Cortical Labs, has big plans for the future. They want to make sure that everyone can benefit from this amazing technology. To do this, they're starting a new service called wetware as a service. This means that you won't need to have the actual CL1 machine in your home or office to use its brain power. Instead, you can connect to the CL1 over the internet. Just like you stream movies or games, you could access the smart brain of the CL1 from anywhere in the world. This is really cool because it makes this advanced technology affordable and accessible to more people. Schools, businesses, and researchers could use the power of the CL1 to do things that were not possible before. Cortical Labs believes that by sharing the CL1 this way, they can help people create new things, solve tough problems, and learn about the world in ways we can only imagine right now. The impact of CL1. Think about how much the world could change with the CL1. In schools, this computer could help teachers understand how each student learns best and then adjust the lessons to fit their needs. This means every kid could learn faster and more easily. In hospitals, doctors could use the CL1 to get a better understanding of diseases and find better ways to treat them. This could make a lot of people healthier and happier. But the impact goes even beyond that. The CL1 could help us solve big problems like climate change by processing huge amounts of data to find solutions faster. It's not just a machine. It's a new tool that can help us make the world a better place. By helping us learn more quickly and solve problems more effectively, the CL1 could change our schools, our health, and our planet for the better. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button to keep up with all our latest videos.